All right, for market minutes today, we're going to look at SMCI stock. I tried to record this yesterday and it didn't catch the video, so I'm going to redo it here. Someone commented on it and said that I had accidentally done it for iron, so thanks to that person for noticing that. It's not in this filing. It's probably going to be here. Okay. All right, SMCI. Okay, so that's a lot of cash. This is in thousands, so that's 4.1 million. They have a massive accounts receivable. I'm sure they have a note in there as to why that's so large, and then the inventory is 10.5 billion. And that's because this is a hardware company. They sell kind of hardware and whatnot, so they got some PB&E. And there is one, yes, this convertible notes right here of almost 4.5 billion. If this is in millions and thousands, then that's what it should be. I'm gonna make sure I'm not getting that wrong. Or 100,000 million billion. Yep, billion. 4.5 billion in convertible notes. I want to see maybe later on at what price those can be converted into equity, because that's dilution for the stock, right? So I want to watch out for that. It's not a ton, but it's still something to watch out for. Let's see. Yeah, market cap of 18 billion, almost 19 billion. My price. I'm sure the filing shows this too, but I'll just ask Google. Okay, there it is, $55.20. So if SMCI hits 55 bucks, then those people can convert their debt into shares. Premium of 35%. So that's worth watching for. Some would call that bullish. So something to see. These people think that the stock could hit 55 bucks. All right. So here's the income statement. This gross margin's tight. It's a very tight gross margin, talking less than 10%. The good news is that their sales went down. Their sales expense went down, but that's largely because like 60% of SMCI's revenue comes from one client. So it's likely that this massive increase in sales is from that one client. So that's probably why the sales expense didn't go up a lot. And then G&A is about the same, and then research and development is also about the same. And then net income is 400 million. So let's see. That puts the PE ratio. That's not a terrible PE ratio at 24. It's about in line with kind of their competitors. That's not terrible. And 400 million a quarter translates to a little less than 2 billion a year, which is kind of where that's coming from. So I don't think this is a terrible buy. I think you could buy worse things. I personally think there's probably better opportunities out there, but I think that if you were to buy this, especially look, it's been flat for several months now. So this seems like a bottom. You're not catching a falling knife. I think this one you could probably buy and be fine. So there you go. There's my opinion on SMCI.